Tired of nicks, cuts, and messy grooming? Meet the Kensen 2-in-1 Body Hair Trimmer, the ultimate grooming tool designed for precision, safety, and versatility. Whether it's your beard, armpits, chest, groin, or legs, this trimmer has got you covered. Say goodbye to time-consuming shaving. The dual-sided stainless steel blades let you trim in any direction with ease. No more hassle, just smooth, effortless grooming. Worried about nicks and cuts? We've got you covered. The nut-safe 30-degree rotating blade ensures a comfortable and secure trim, especially for sensitive areas. Stay confident with every shave. From face to body, switch seamlessly with the 2-in-1 interchangeable trimmer heads and adjustable comb attachments. Achieve the perfect trim, no matter the area. Powered by a 6,800 RPM ultra-quiet motor, this trimmer ensures a smooth, low-vibration experience while handling all hair types with effortless precision. Shave wet or dry, your choice. With an IPX6 waterproof design, this trimmer is shower-friendly, easy to clean, and always ready for action. Never run out of power. The 600 mAh rechargeable battery delivers up to 100 minutes of runtime, perfect for home use and travel. Upgrade your grooming game with the Kensen 2-in-1 Body Hair Trimmer. Effortless. Safe. Powerful. Get yours today and experience the difference.